Alright guys, so in order to turn your four-wheel drive on, what you're going to want to do is put your vehicle in neutral here, and then you go over to your, this is four-wheel drive here, so it's normally in the 2H, so just two-wheel drive. So you got 4H and 4 low, so it's high and low. High is for if you're like on the highway or anything and you need some speed. Yeah, you use that, so you probably won't use that too often, but if you get stuck and you just need a low gear, this is, you put it into four-wheel drive low. So again, you got it in neutral now. You're going to shift it to there, and it says shift in progress, and there we go. It'll turn your advanced track off, and you can see down in the corner there that the light is off for the traction control, and you can see there that it says you're in four-wheel drive low. So, and now if you want to take it off, just put it back in neutral, and you just go back over to your knob, turn it back, shift in progress, and then your advanced track is back on. You can see it's back on the 2H there, and then your traction control is back on now.